Do you guys do a lot of management in-house, or do you hire that out to a third party like Renters Warehouse, like you mentioned?
Yeah, we manage all of our properties ourselves. It's been our main goal since the beginning to do that. And I would argue that most early investors should start managing properties themselves, at least for the first couple of years, so that they start getting a feel what it's like to manage properties, how to screen tenants, how to do basic maintenance. And then once you do that, if you go to hire a property manager, you know what makes a good property manager because you've done it. Mm-hmm. You've done it yourself. And so you can start shooting holes into somebody who is not really taking care of your renters the way they should. The reason why we take care of our properties still is because we still have that mindset around taking care of our renters. And for me, I haven't met a property manager or somebody who has that same type of care for our renters. And it's maybe because I'm the one that owns the building, and so I'm very protective over my renters and to make sure they're living a great life in the property that I own. I do have relationships with property managers, and I think they're super invaluable, especially if you're trying to scale a business. And I believe that once you get to about 10 units, managing those units yourself becomes very difficult, almost impossible. So you have to make a choice. Do I go into real estate full time and manage them myself, or do I start hiring out? And I think that's the 10 unit is kind of your cap.
Sure.
Yeah.
So then when it comes to leasing, do you also do that, or do you hire that out?
Leasing as well. Management, leasing, all the works we do manage ourselves.
Okay.
We have been blessed with having Garrett on our team, and he is part owner of a lot of properties that we own. Okay. So he does a lot of the leasing and placement of tenants, and because of his experience with Renters Warehouse, he has a really great background to be able to do that.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's great to pull on people's strengths and expertise there.
For sure. Garrett calls me the paper guy. So I manage all of our finances and all of our bookkeeping and stuff. So he's got the cooler job that I do.
Nice. Want to hear more on this topic? Click the link below for the full episode of Maximizing Your Property Value.